Okay, Sanjay, one thing I love to always leave you with is an opportunity to be able to speak about something involving ESG, involving what VMware, what you're doing for people who are disenfranchised, because you're such a great spokesperson for people in the Valley, in California, trying to do the right thing.
Well, we were fortunate, Jim, as we reflected on 2020. I mean, it was an incredible year. We took care of our employees, but then as we looked at the world at large, to really ask ourselves, what do we want to accomplish in the next 9 years, and set out 30 goals for 2030. You'd expect, because we are kind of been one of those de facto standards that have driven energy savings in the data center, we have a number of things that relate to zero emissions and being able to use renewable energy. But I'd point to two things that we're very excited about. One is we want to see more diversity in the workplace, and we're committed to having 50% of our managers be women. We want to hire one woman for every one male that we hire, and really see a more diverse workforce with underrepresented minorities and women. The second thing is this big idea of academies. One of the things that was important to us during the last year was, even during a downturn, our employees and our community want us to invest in them. And the way to do that is to invest in their training and their enablement, their education. So this big idea of academies mean that we're going to educate people. We think we can educate 15 million people. For example, developers. We have this concept of pivotal labs where we're going to educate developers. You and I could become developers again. And we saw this to be an incredible thing. People were calling us during the pandemic saying, hey, we need to build a contact tracing app. We'd send the pivotal labs to help them. DoorDash had us build a Tanzu observability app. So we saw a number of customers. And this is the way in which we want to help our customers invest in academies to train and enable them. So there's many others. There's 30 or so rules. I picked 2 or 3 that would hopefully inspire. The most important thing is, as a world population, Jim, we will get through this.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.